Feet are the most searched body part on the internet. Not hands, not eyes, feet. And the science behind why is genuinely fascinating. The data. This isn't speculation. In a landmark study of 5,000 people across 381 fetish communities, foot fetishes were the most common category by a significant margin. Separate research suggests 10 to 20% of people report meaningful arousal related to feet. That's not a niche, that's a substantial proportion of the population. The neuroscience. So why feet specifically? This is where it gets interesting. Neuroscientist Vilayanar Ramachandran proposed one of the most widely cited theories in this space. A brain map established in the 1950s that charts which areas of the brain correspond to which parts of the body. The sensory area for feet sits directly adjacent to the sensory area for genitals. Ramachandran's theory suggests there may be neural crosstalk between these neighboring regions, signals overlapping in a way that creates associations between feet and sexual arousal. It's important to be honest here. This is a compelling and widely referenced theory, not a definitively proven fact. Subsequent research has questioned parts of it, but it's credible enough to be cited by Psychology Today and studied by neuroscientists at UC San Diego and Bangor University. The psychology. Beyond biology, psychology offers another layer of explanation. Fetishistic conditioning works similarly to classical conditioning. When a neutral object becomes repeatedly associated with arousal during formative experiences, that association becomes lasting. For many people, the interest in feet developed early and has a strong neurological foundation by adulthood. Then there's the intimacy angle. Feet represent something personal and private, a part of the body rarely exposed, rarely touched by others. There's a closeness implied by that intimacy that goes beyond the physical. Buyers aren't just purchasing an image, they're purchasing a sense of connection to a real person. The cultural dimension. This interest has deep historical roots. Feet carried erotic significance in ancient Rome and Renaissance art and across cultures that had no contact with each other. It appears in literature, in art, and in cultural practices spanning centuries. The consistency across time and geography suggests something fundamentally human at work, not the modern anomaly. The market. That interest has created a $300 million industry growing at 22% per year. Fun with Feet exists specifically to serve it, a dedicated marketplace where that demand meets supply safely, anonymously, and professionally. Head to funwithfeet.com to find out more. Give this a like, subscribe for more content every week, and see you in the next one.